stocks are going to go high this week. Trust me when I say this. Hi everyone, this is Julia and warm welcome, or let's say welcome back to my YouTube channel. Woo! So we had an amazing week. Like this week just started and it has been super amazing. It's been raining dollars. Today I got a jam-packed video for you. So class is in session, guys. How are y'all doing? So I love what I do and I want you to succeed. I am having the time of my life. Understanding the market, this is something you should learn. Okay, this is something you should learn. I'm here to give you some knowledge. Use this week to go through some of the videos, the past videos I have done. Go and watch some of them. You'll see that some of the stocks, in fact all the stocks I called that last week and told you I was going to do super well, they did so well. Watch out for Tesla, Palantir, all the stocks I mentioned, they did absolutely well. Tesla hit $244. Palantir cost $20, like I say. So follow the teaching. We look out for very specific levels in the market and don't be greedy, okay? Learn how to play the game, okay? So major salute to anyone who has been watching all these videos, picking all the information and learning. And there's something I want to talk to you about today. Listen up, guys. Black Friday is right around the corner. You know what that means? It means that people are going to be buying a lot of things, using the cash that we are complaining that we don't have enough of, and we're going to use it to buy things that, in fact, most of these things we're buying are even going to lose value. Some of them are going to lose value. Now, don't get me wrong. If there's something that you've been eyeing and you know is going to add value to your life, you can conveniently buy it. I'm not against it. But understand that sometimes you need to look into the assets before you look at the liabilities. And there is something that I want you to know. I want you to start thinking of something that will give you money back. I'm talking about investing in a skill, learning something that can give you 10 times money in return. Okay? So this is something that I want you to understand, because Black Friday on record, it shows that a lot of people, 95% of people, pay money on things they may never even use, but because of the craze of the whole buying thing, they jump on it. So make some money with me. Let's work on some of the stuff that we are looking at that this week we're going to do super well. The first one is Palantir. I told us last week that Palantir was going to touch $20. Can you see this? Palantir is currently at $21. This is amazing. This stock is heading to $22. So those in the group, in my group, I dropped a message there and I told them that Palantir was going to hit up to 22. This stock can also get to 23, but this stock is getting to its threshold. I will not be surprised if this stock starts to drop, because right now we're no longer buying this particular stock. But I just wanted to show you how the stock has moved in the last 1 week. See, can you see this? This stock has been hovering around 19, and from 19 it touched 21.60. So this is amazing. Like I said, this particular stock can still get to 22. It can still get to 23, and this is amazing. This is something I like. This is called lazy way to make free dollars in the market. If you know the game, try to understand the game. If you understand the game, this will be easy for you. So like I said, we do not chase it. We allow it to come to our level, and when it gets to our level, we take it back. This particular stock can also drop back to 18, can drop back to 15, or even less. So now we have taken it from 15. Remember this stock, we started buying it at $15. So imagine if you had it at 15 and now it has 21. $6, guys, that's a lot. Free money. Free money. Alright, so we are going to wait for this stock to ride all the way back to our zone again, and we're going to be taking it. So if you keep it locked on this channel, I will let you know when it's coming down and when we are riding it all the way back again. This is what I call my rinse and repeat strategy. Let's talk about another stock. This is the second stock and we'll be talking about it. Tesla! Can you see this? So I told you last week that this stock was going to run, and look at what it did. It ran from 230 and touched 246, guys. And see the amazing thing, the stock dropped back again to 220. This stock dropped to 226. So imagine getting it at 226 and you're going to ride it all the way back up. That means you're making almost $20 free money. Listen, when I tell you about stocks, go and look at the stocks. Download the apps. Download this particular app, investing.com. Go to your Google Play Store and type investing.com. This app will come up. You can put in this and then watch it when I talk about it. If you have the time, you can download either the Trove or the Bamboo, which is what we use in making money. You can be watching it. Even if you do not want to put your money, just observe some of these things I'm talking about and you will see the stock doing so well. Another stock that is going to do super well this week is NVIDIA. I'm going to talk about it quickly. NVIDIA, this stock is, honestly, this is stock of the year. This is stock of the year. Let me show you something that is going to blow your mind. Can you see this? This stock, starting from last year, November, it was below $200. Guys, below $200. Can you see this? It was about 190 thereabouts. And look at this stock from last year. Imagine if you had invested in this stock from last year till now, 500. This is almost $400. Sorry, this is almost $300 in profit. This is almost $300 in profit. This is crazy. And the beautiful thing is that this company are involved in microchips that a lot of companies use. So you can see where this is one of the things I teach in the class. You should know why companies are doing well. You should know what the companies are into, so you know whether it's a long-lasting company. All right, so this company is doing so well. They're reporting their earnings today. The last time they reported their earnings, this is what happened. This was what happened. They moved and jumped. So right now, nobody knows what's going to happen, but this stock is most likely to jump up again. Even if it doesn't jump up, I just want to show you how people make a lot of money in the stock market. So I'm going to keep an eye on this particular stock. You can see here, earnings released today. So my alert is ready. I'm going to be watching this stock when they release their earnings, and I'm going to tell you what happened on this stock in the next video. Did you enjoy yourself in this video today? I hope you learned a lot of things. It's time you start making free monies in the stock market, and trust me, I am the best teacher in the game. Alright, my name is Julia and I hope to see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, now is the best time to do that. Make sure you share this video, like, drop a comment, and I will see you in the next video.